Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today's lesson is about another very important part of speech in English, and that is verb. So now let's move over to today's topic. What is a verb? A verb is a word that shows an action, a state, or position. In simple words, without verbs we cannot make a sentence. For example, if I say Ali runs fast. Here, the word runs shows an action. It is showing the action of noun Ali, subject Ali. So that's why it is a verb. Second sentence, if I say, she is happy. Here, the word is shows the state of being of her. It is showing that in what condition she is. She is happy. It is showing her condition of happiness. So is also a verb here because it is showing the state of being. And third sentence, if I say I have a book. Now here the word have shows my position. It is showing that this book belongs to me. It is mine. It is showing the position of mine. So this is again a verb. Now let's write it clearly. A verb is a word that expresses an action, a state of being, or position. Some common examples of verbs are go, eat, read, play, are, have, has, do, run, sleep, etc. Now look at some examples. If I say they play cricket. Now here the word play is a verb because it is showing their action of playing cricket. Second example, if I say he is a teacher, now here the word is a verb because it is showing his state of being a teacher. Okay, so to recap, a verb is a head of a sentence because we cannot make a single sentence without using a verb. It tells us what the subject does, what condition it is in, or what it possesses. Now let's practice. If I say, the dog barks loudly. Now what is the verb? Tell me. Yes, you're right. Barks is a verb here because it is showing the action of dog. Means what actually it does. It barks loudly. Second sentence. If I say, they are happy. Now point out the verb here. Absolutely, you're right. Are is the verb here because it is showing their state of being, state of happiness. So that's why it is again a verb. Third sentence, if I say she has 2 pens. Now point out the verb here. Right, the verb is has because it is showing her position. So that's all for today's lesson on verb. I hope you understood it clearly. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for upcoming useful and beneficial English learning videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.